In this problem, we're trying to find the angle between two vector forces if we know the resulting magnitude. So here we have the first one is 75 pounds, the second one is 90, and the resulting force is 107. So we know that this is going to be going down the middle of these two because it's more than or greater than any one of these other two. So let's start by drawing. So here is your 75-pound force. We'll just make it go directly to the right because it's easiest. And then you have your 90-pound force, which will be a little bit longer than 75. 90 pounds. And the resultant always goes down the middle. So here is the resultant at 107. And our question is, what is the angle between these two vectors? So we're going to make a parallelogram or a triangle so that we can use the, in this case, law of cosines. So here's your 90-pound force over here, and here is your 75-pound force up here, and they always make a parallelogram. So what we're actually going to do is figure out what this angle is right here first, then subtract it from 180 because these two are consecutive interiors and are therefore supplementary. So we can find alpha using the law of cosines. So if we set this up, 107 is the side opposite. So it goes by itself, plus 90 squared equals, minus, that's a minus, not equals, let's erase that. Minus 2 times 75 times 90 times the cosine of the angle across from 107. Okay, now I'm going to do a little slicksterness. If I solve this for the angle, this is what I would get. 75 squared plus 90 squared minus 107 squared over 2 times 75 times 90. That is what I'm actually going to put into my calculator. That's just solving the top equation for alpha. So when I do that, I get an angle of, that angle is 80.3 degrees. Okay, that's this angle right here. So if I wanted my red angle, that's 180 minus 80.3 degrees, which is going to be 99.7 degrees, is the measure in between my original two vectors.